Let's explore a gentle path to inner peace, the practice of mindful acceptance. Many of our deepest inner struggles don't come from the events of our lives themselves, but from our resistance to them. This internal battle against what? This subtle or overt pushing away of the present moment is where much of our suffering takes root and intensifies. Why do we fight so hard against reality? Often, it stems from a deep-seated desire for control, a belief that if we just push hard enough, we can bend the world to our will. We cling to expectations of how things should have been, or how we wish they were. This creates a constant state of tension. Pain increases when the mind demands that reality be different before acceptance can even begin. It's like trying to swim against a powerful current. We exhaust ourselves fighting a force that is simply and unchangeably present. But what if there was another way? What if, instead of fighting the current, we learn to float with it? This is the essence of acceptance. It is not about resignation, passivity, or approving of a difficult situation. It is simply the courageous and compassionate act of acknowledging reality, just as it is, without judgment. It's a gentle allowing, a softening around the edges of our experience. True acceptance weakens this unnecessary struggle, freeing up immense energy that was once consumed by resistance. We can cultivate this skill through simple, mindful practices. Begin with your breath. Notice its natural rhythm without trying to change it. Feel the air enter and leave your body. This is a small act of accepting the present moment. Or, try observing your thoughts as if they were clouds passing in the sky, acknowledging their presence without getting swept away by them. Each time you do this, you are strengthening your muscle of acceptance. This isn't about achieving a perfect state of calm overnight. It's a continuous, gentle practice. So today, can you find one small thing to accept without resistance? Perhaps it's the weather, a feeling of tiredness, or a sound in the environment. Practice accepting one reality gently today. Be kind and patient with yourself. With each small act of acceptance, you are planting a seed of profound peace.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.